I'm George, and this is my little brother Gordon. Hello! So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a magnetic bunny with bunny ears and a plating at the back. So I hope you enjoyed this video! Okay, now I'm going to make some bunny ears. So here we stick them together. So you see something is a little off. So we're going to add a little bit more magnets here. And then we add dun dun dun. There, 2 bunny ears. Now we make the bunny itself. So for this, you need a round ball. A small one, probably like this. Keep on shaping. So we're gonna stick it here. And then we're going to add a little piece here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And then we're going to make a smiley face right here. And then we put 2 eyes. Here. There. Now we make the legs. So the legs are like this, okay? Here. Wait, this looks good for eyes. So here, excuse me. There. Perfect. Here is one body. So here is the final product. It looks good, eh? So I'm going to show you something else, but without ruining this bunny. So, moving on, we're going to make a long strip. Do 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 do. Yay! Yep, yay. Yay. Now we just make it longer. And longer. And longer. And longer. Then we start off like this. Then we're doing it again. 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 There. So now we have a circle. Here's a big circle right here. There. Now cut. Cut. Cut the rest of the magnets. That's beautiful. Yep, it is. Great job, George. Now we're going to get something, a piece of wood to cut in half. That's a wood. No, that's metal, because metal is going to stick to the magnets. Now we just have to link them together. Ooh, now it's beautiful. Now we just stick the bunny on. Bunny. Bunny. Ooh, it looks nice, eh? Perfectly fashionable. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, Georgie's and Gordon's Kitchen, and smash that like button and don't miss out on any notifications. I'll see you next time.